In this video, I am sharing healthier version of simple traditional Mangalore Neer Dosa. This is soft, gluten-free, fiber-rich Neer Dosa that heals both body and soul. This dosa is especially good for thyroid, PCOS, diabetes and those who are on weight loss journey. Let us start with the recipe. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. Take 1 cup of any one of the 5 great millets. Here I have taken Little Millet. Wash it once and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. If you are preparing this dosa for breakfast, then soak it overnight. We all know that all millets are gluten-free, high in fiber with low glycemic index alkaline grains. This is ordinary cucumber. Wash it thoroughly and grate it with the peel. Peel contains highest amount of fiber, so don't discard it. Here I have taken 1 cup of grated cucumber. Transfer the soaked millet to blending jar and add grated cucumber also. Cucumber contains more than 90% of water, so without adding water, grind it to form smooth and nice paste. Transfer it to a bowl. Adjust the consistency by adding millet soaked water. Millet soaked water contains micronutrients, so don't discard the water. Neer dosa or water dosa batter should be more watery like this. Add pink Himalayan salt to taste and give a good mix. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. This is pre-seasoned iron tawa. Cooking with cast iron tawa helps for the better absorption of iron. Apply little gingerly oil to the tawa. Mix the batter once so that solid should not settle at the bottom. And make dosa like this. Thinner the dosa, softer and tastier will be the dosa. Cover and cook for 30 to 35 seconds. Flip the dosa and keep it upside down like this. No need of cooking on the other side. Apply gingerly oil to tawa and make next dosa by mixing the batter. Cover and cook. Now fold our previous dosa in the middle and then again fold like this. Healthy, gluten-free, fiber-rich Neer dosa is ready to serve with the lazy look. This dosa will be softer even after hours of preparation. So you can use this dosa for lunchbox also. Serve it with any chutney of your choice. Friends, try this healthy Neer dosa recipe and feel the difference in your body and mind, and let me know how it has turned out. If you find this video useful, then hit like button and share it with family and friends. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe for more healing and healthier recipes. See you in the next video. Till then,